Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, now first of all, before we go into the video, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, hit notification bell so as to get a notification anytime we create videos like this. And if you hit the subscribe button, it will help us in our channel upgrading. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you're going to go to your browser. Whatever browser you're using doesn't matter, and you're going to type youtube.com. Now after clicking youtube.com, it will take you to this page. Okay, now you go straight to the right side of the page and you click sign in. Now if you have a Gmail account, it will show you here a Gmail account, but if you don't, you're going to simply click use another account. But I have a Gmail account, so I'm going to click this. Now if you don't have a Gmail account and you do not know how to create a Gmail account, I'll put a link to a video up here so you can see how to create a Gmail account, or go down to the description box where I'll put a video so you can know how to create a Gmail account. But if you do know how to create a Gmail account, or you have already, just input yours by coming to use another account. You put your email address, then you go through. But for me, I already have a Gmail account, so it will appear here. So I'll click one of them, the one I want to use. I'll put in my password. Click next. Then to show you here to put your number, to verify and confirm it. So you click confirm. And then boom, you have a YouTube channel. Okay. Now if you come right here to this icon, to your channel icon, where you see this blue icon, and click it, you go down to your channel. Okay, you see we have a YouTube channel named Opera Edwins. This is our Gmail account, so by default it will be named our Gmail, the name of our Gmail. That's what will appear here. But this is it. You can actually customize your channel. You can go in and then change things like the channel name, the channel art, and so on and so forth. But we are not going to cover that for this video. If you want us to give you an in-depth tutorial on how to customize your channel, go down to the comments and type it there, and I will send you a video of how to customize your channel. Now, if you enjoy this video, I would like you to do us a favor by liking the video, clicking the thumbs up there, and most likely, if you haven't, subscribe to support this channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time. Bye for now.